Huawei is bringing back a feature many users have been missing for years. With the launch of the Huawei Mate 80 series, the company has revived the AR measurement app, a tool that once made Huawei phones stand out thanks to its practical and surprisingly accurate augmented reality measuring abilities. After disappearing from newer models and even recent versions of HarmonyOS, the feature is finally returning, and it's coming back in an improved form. AR measurement, also known as AR measure, uses the phone's camera together with a TOF, or time-of-flight lens, to measure things in the real world. Instead of grabbing a physical measuring tape, users can simply point their phone at an object, and the app will show the measurement right on the screen. It can calculate distances, lengths, areas, and even volumes. In many cases, it can also estimate a person's height, which is especially useful in situations where you don't have tools around. To use the AR Measure app properly, the device needs to be held between 0.3 and 1.5 meters from the object. After that, the software overlays the measurement information right on the live camera image. This makes the entire process quick, easy, and surprisingly accurate. It is one of those features that you may not use every day, but when you need it, it saves a lot of time and effort. This isn't a brand new idea from Huawei. The company first introduced AR measurement on the P30 Pro back in April 2019. Over the next few years, it appeared on devices like the P50 Pocket, the Mate 60, and the Mate X5. The feature even reached global Huawei devices the same year it debuted, which helped many users discover how helpful AR measuring can be. But then something unexpected happened. Huawei quietly removed AR measurement from several recent smartphone generations. Models like the Nova 13 and 14, the Pura 70, the Mate 70, and even the Pura 80 launched without support for the app. On top of that, the feature disappeared from HarmonyOS 5.0 stable and HarmonyOS 6.0 beta versions. This left many users confused, especially those who relied on the feature on older devices. Now, with the release of the Huawei Mate 80 series, Huawei is finally reversing that decision. The AR Measure app is officially back, and it works with the latest HarmonyOS 6.0, 0.1 and 15 SP8 update. Anyone who owns a Mate 80 device simply needs to update the software to unlock the feature. This includes all 4 models in the new Mate lineup: the Huawei Mate 80, Mate 80 Pro, Mate 80 Pro Max, and the premium Mate 80 RS Ultimate design. These devices now fully support AR measurement. In addition, the Huawei Pura 80 and the Mate 70 Air also support the feature, making them some of the only recent Huawei phones compatible with the app. Huawei has not yet added AR measurement back to the app gallery. This means users cannot download it manually, search for it, or share it with others. The only way to get the app is to own a device that supports it and install the required HarmonyOS update. Huawei may still decide to expand compatibility in the coming months, and the company is expected to add support for more phones through upcoming HarmonyOS 6.0 updates. The return of AR measurement is more than just a small feature coming back. It reflects Huawei's renewed focus on practical, everyday tools that make smartphones more useful. In an industry full of flashy features that are often forgotten after a few days, AR Measure remains something people genuinely use. Whether it's measuring furniture during a move, checking the height of a door frame, or quickly estimating the size of a package, the app has a clear purpose and delivers accurate results. While Huawei has faced challenges and changes over the last few years, updates like this show that the company is still committed to improving user experience. The Mate 80 series not only introduces new hardware and software improvements, but also revives features that people have been asking for. As HarmonyOS continues to evolve, more older models may regain support for AR measurement. For now, the feature is back where it belongs, on Huawei's latest flagship devices, and users can once again enjoy one of the most practical AR tools ever built into a smartphone.